All right, guys, we're going to do a quick video on how to remove apps from the LG TV. So I have this is an OLED TV. I think it's from like 2020, so it's a little bit older, but it is running on the latest software. And what we need to do is go down to this apps bar down here, and we're going to scroll over and find the app that we're looking to delete. So for example, I'm going to choose Fubo because I've literally never watched that. Now on the remote, right, if your remote looks like this or any other remote, you're just going to press and hold that selector tool. And then from here, we have the edit app list. And you'll see at the very top, there is that little trash icon. So we'll just scroll up with the remote and we'll see that selected and we'll hit OK. Are you sure you want to delete? We'll hit yes. And just like that, we have deleted the Fubo app. So let's just make sure that it's gone. Fubo, Fubo, Fubo. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. And then we'll come over here. So we can delete any of these apps. Unlike Samsung TV, you have to keep the apps that came with it. But on the LG, we can delete any of the apps. So pretty easy process there. Now, if that was deleted on accident and you want to re-add an app, what you need to do is go to the LG Content Store. We'll open this up. Okay. And we'll go to the, whoops. So at the top, you can see featured, all apps, my apps, and we'll just go to the search bar. And here, we'll just search for Fubo, since we just deleted that one. And here we go. So here's Fubo. All we gotta do is hit this install button. And you can see application has been installed on the end of home. So we'll go back to the home just to make sure that it's there. And here we'll scroll all the way down and see that Fubo is now listed at the end of home. So that is quickly how you remove or add apps on your LG TV. I hope this helped, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.